The sad time has come. Check it out. However, the magic continues. We have one more little half day in Magic Kingdom. Getting on mine train, like we said. Splash Mountain, Thunder Mountain. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going into the mine. Here we go. Whoa! The ride's super fun. I just wish it was longer.
I know, it was really, really short, but it was a lot of fun.
I forgot how
At least got a fast pass.
how windy it is, and the cars rock and all that.
It was really cool.
So now we have, what's next? Big Thunder Mountain?
I think Splash Mountain, but you'll have to look at your thing because I left my phone in the car.
We need a little splash right now.
Yeah.
It's hot today, and it's not even 11 o'clock yet.
Yeah, crazy.
Oh no. We're gonna get wet right now.
Might be getting soaked. We're good. No.
Oh yeah? They just did. They just
Make
did.
it. Oh, God.
We're gonna get it right now. Cisco, get ready. You're getting it. Now you're underneath. Yeah, we made it. Look at that.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Ah! Oh, yeah. There it is. Just got nailed.
Only half of me. That felt really good.
I like
That was actually kind of moving.
I like it. I just wasn't ready. My whole back's wet. That's all right.
Bye-bye. Woo! That was the big drop. That was the big drop, Jennifer. Oh, look at the nice trees above us. Look at the scenery, guys. That wasn't the big drop. I want to see the picture if Mommy's eyes are closed when we come out.
Couple drops.
I didn't even get one of them moving down the
Just had some nugs at the Harbor House back there.
Nugs and fries.
Excellent. Fresh nugs. Now we're off to Thunder Mountain. Here we go. Goats. Oh! Woo! Woo! Whee! like that, we are on our way home. See you there. We're home. If you can't tell by the mess behind us. We said earlier we would show you the cat collars. We just stuck them on. So let's show you our little furry babies.
Hi, Bob.
This is Binks, aka Bubby. He will be sporting the black collar. This one's actually a dog collar, FYI. It's the smallest dog collar they make, and you can see it fits large cats. Because he's a big boy.
He missed us.
This is Nala. Nala will be sporting pink princess icons. Show everyone your pretty pink collar.
Hi.
You know. And over here, finishing off his big bowl of food that we had to leave him, is Figaro.
Hey, baby.
And Figaro will be sporting red. Figaro. 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 Turn around. Let everyone see your little pretty pattern. You can see why we call him Figaro. Where are you going? This is Figaro. Figaro. Does he look just like him? Almost just like him. And that is going to do it for our Grand Floridian vacation. We had a very magical time.
Yes.
Made lots of memories. Met a couple cool cast members. And now it's time to start planning the next one.
Yeah, now it's time to relax with the cats. We're only through halfway of our vacation, so this is our 5th day of our vacation. We still have 5 more left to just chill and do whatever we want. So we're excited still.
Now the real relaxation begins.
Yeah.
So thanks for coming along with us and joining in on all the magic. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to come on future adventures with us. And we will see you next time.